I call this the I'm gonna take a nap later burger.
Every time I go to George Motz's house, I feel like a kid in a candy store. Not only does my regional burger IQ skyrocket, but I also get a master class in how to make some of the most unique burgers around. Today you're in for an extra special treat because I'm bringing along Ty Burrell, the man behind Modern Family's Phil Dunphy, to learn about classic regional burger styles that every burger fan should know about. Ty, welcome to the Burger Show.
Thank you for having me.
We are at George Motz's house, or what I like to call the Burger Academy.
I felt like I was sort of a burger fan until I walked into this house, and now I realize what a dilettante I am.
Oh, dude.
Well, don't compare anything to me, please.
You're in the same position I was. This is kind of like where my burger journey began.
I've taken a very deep dive into the American hamburger. And what I've discovered is that there are so many different regional burgers that need to be appreciated. You know, and each regional burger has a story, has a great piece of history to it, you know.
I feel like I'm about to go on a vision quest.
Now, Ty, you're a pretty serious foodie. He has a restaurant in Salt Lake City that has a burger that's on the top 100 list.
This sounds ridiculous, but it actually is good. Polish sausage, kimchi, and cheese whiz.
Wow, that's it. I never knocked cheese whiz.
You brought me back on the cheese whiz.
But it actually, I swear, it really is delicious.
I'm a huge fan of Modern Family.
Oh, thanks. Going into our last season.
I think America wants to know, especially people from the Burger Show, what would Phil Dunphy's ideal burger be? Because I know, like, he's into technology. So,
that's true.
Would he be a sous vide burger guy?
Yeah, maybe you went too far with
I think that's where I was headed too, like ice cream on it.
Yeah, right.
Oh my God, yeah. Dude, totally.
It's gonna be great.
It's a bridge too far.
We're gonna make 3 burgers today. The first is gonna be the Slug Burger from northern Mississippi. We're gonna make Loco Moco, which is from Hawaii. And we're gonna make a special burger. We're gonna surprise you. We got a special burger just for you.
All right.
Do you know what a slug burger is? Have you ever had one? No, okay.
No.
Okay, there's no slugs in it, don't worry. There's not gonna be some kind of insect burger or something, but it is typical in northern Mississippi and nowhere else really at all. Pre-Depression, people had to find a way to extend their meat supply. So what they would do is they would take yesterday's bread, stale bread, and put it into today's beef. It's called a slug burger because in the beginning of this burger's life, it cost a nickel, and back then a nickel was referred to as a slug. Yeah, that was it. So it's basically a burger that has only breadcrumbs in it. And what's really cool about that is that the breadcrumbs, when they're in the meat and they're cooking in the flat top, they start to actually soak up a lot of that rendered beef fat. And of course, you know, beef fat means flavor. So you get a combination of salt, beef fat, and breadcrumbs, and it's a pretty heavenly burger. So you want to make one? You try it?
Yeah, let's do this.
This is so simple. Look at that. All we're gonna do is this is about a pound of meat. I'm gonna add about nothing more than like a cup of breadcrumbs. Today, if you ask for a slug burger today in Mississippi, you're not gonna get beef. You're actually gonna get a pork burger with soy flour.
What?
Because it evolved into that.
Really?
This is the original slug burger. On the flat top, put some salt in there.
Yes.
So it's a gentle smash.
So is there a debate? Because I've certainly, read that when I'm making burgers, I'm trying not to smash them.
Right, this burger you can smash. Again, smashing is weird because smashing is really not about pressing juices out. But the reality is that
this is uncooked
there's no juice
still.
yet.
Right.
There's no juice yet.
Right.
So you're trying to marry the beef patty to the surface as fast and as hot and hard as possible.
Got it.
So I'm gonna dope the bun. It's called doping, which is really just preparing the bun. And they don't usually toast down south, so we're gonna put a little bit of mustard on here, put some pickles on there, because pickles are pretty awesome. Here's what we got.
That looks great.
So see what's happening is you can see the rendered fat is going into those breadcrumbs. Here we go.
That looks delightful.
Pickles, mustard, and a patty.
Oh man, well,
Cheers.
here it is.
Tell me if it's good. Looks pretty good.
That's amazing.
It's pretty simple. I mean, there's literally nothing to it.
And you can
Taste the breadcrumbs.
There's a little bit of crunch in there.
Yeah. The crunch comes from the breadcrumbs that have been, rendered.
That's awesome.
Yeah, the textures are crazy.
Can I taste that?
Please. Oh my God. How rude.
I'm watching it he's like,
it's that good. It's that good.
I see so many wonderful things.
yes, and all these things create the Loco Moco.
Oh, we're missing stuff.
What do you mean?
Well, there's no bun.
There's no bun. That's right.
There's no cheese.
There's no cheese.
Everything's
Thinking, how
upside
could this
down.
be?
My world
What's
is going
happening?
crazy right now.
Now, technically, it's not a burger. So this is what I like to call a burger dish. When you think of a Hawaiian burger, what's on it?
I would think it would have something sort of like tropical, like pineapple or
Boom.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Pineapple, ham, right?
Right.
I've got news that's gonna blow your mind. Ready for this one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Pineapple burger started in Canada in the 1960s. It was a guy who was actually putting pineapple and ham on a pizza from this place in Ontario, Canada.
I feel like this makes me question everything.
If you go to Hawaii, they offer a slice of Hawaiian pineapple, and it's a Hawaiian burger. It's not a real Hawaiian.
That's shaped like the entire world.
But the good news is there is a classic, locals only burger called the Loco Moco.
And it's made entirely of Canadian ingredients.
Right. That's right. That's right. The burger dish is a bed of white rice, cooked hamburger patty. Ready for this one? Brown gravy on top of that, and then a fried egg. You're gonna freak out. Let's get to it. So I'm a big fan of putting onions in burgers, in wherever. If you've ever been to St. Louis or Oklahoma, that's the way they treat their burgers, just like that. Rice, you know rice.
Right.
For the first time in my life, I feel alive.
But wait, there's more. Let me get an egg going here. Hang on.
Wow.
There's gravy,
So good.
right? Goes next, right? Just good old brown gravy on there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's kind of hard to beat right there.
Oh, man. This is everything I love.
Yeah.
That's it,
Oh,
dude.
yeah.
That's it. Please,
Look
here.
at-
Crack the yolk.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at
man.
that.
Look at that. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. No bad taste to this. That pretty
There's
much does
nothing
it.
wrong with that.
Oh, it's incredible.
So not surprisingly, this burger is
so
served in most diners on most of the islands on Hawaii. And it's a great late night food, as you can probably imagine.
Oh yeah.
Like,
I think I come from I'm one of those people that has open borders for definitions. This seems like a burger to me.
See, I
But I also understand why you
on
would.
this show, I tell everyone, no, a burger is handheld. I feel like this is almost like a throwback because this is where the burger started.
it's true, on a plate. With
On
a
a
knife,
plate.
knife and a fork.
Knife
You're
and
absolutely
fork.
right. That's actually
So,
true, yeah.
I would serve this at a burger
I'm
party.
definitely gonna make this.
Just to flip it on people, just be like, yeah, I'm having a burger party, come over.
Right.
And
Yeah.
then just have
This is
Loco
going to be our
Mocos.
4th of July.
It's very
Just to
patriotic.
freak people out. Going forward, I really look forward to telling people that pineapples aren't from Hawaii.
No, pineapples are from Hawaii. Oh, sorry. The next burger is a surprise, a treat for you. We wanted to honor your adopted home state
Love that.
of Utah and make the Utah Pastrami burger.
I am familiar with this burger.
You are?
Absolutely. The two places in Utah that are most prominent are Crown
Right.
and Apollo.
Exactly.
I'll bet you know the answer to this question. I've always been curious about it. I believe they're both Greek.
Yes, they are.
What is the origin story there?
It all started with Greek burger man James Castanevis. In the 1970s, Castanevis operated Minos Burgers in Anaheim, California, where he sold patties topped with hot pastrami. The trend started in Southern California in the mid-20th century as Jewish people migrated west, bringing with them the traditions of the New York City delicatessen. In the 1980s, Castanevis moved to Salt Lake City, where his family was involved in the nightclub business. Soon after, the pastrami burger appeared on the menu of his brother Manuel's new restaurant venture, Crown Burgers, introducing a new generation to this California-born classic.
You are a font of knowledge.
We're gonna start with the burger. I'm gonna start
Yes.
cooking a burger patty for a small patty. I'm not gonna make it big. Just, typical Crown Burger patties, like 3 ounces or so. Not big at all, I think I'm gonna press because I like to press my burgers, Then, of course, the most important part, high quality pastrami.
Incredible.
Now, what I like to do is steam. I like to steam the. Oh shit! I like to actually steam pastrami. There's already rendered fat in there because it's cooked already, obviously.
Right.
But then once you actually steam it, you actually release those rendered fats
And everything starts to loosen up.
Exactly.
This looks exactly like the ingredients in Utah.
Excellent.
Exactly. The cheese even, like everything.
Oh yeah, cheese. Thank you for reminding
And
me.
this is a version of fry sauce.
It is fry sauce. If you're from Utah, it's a beloved sauce.
Yeah.
This has 4 ingredients in it. Equal parts ketchup and mayo. But it also has sweet relish, and I put onion powder also. There was a guy in some sub-basement at Crown Burger. They had some guy in literally in a closet with no windows mixing up the fry sauce.
I love it.
In complete secrecy.
Really?
Yeah. So typical to Crown Burger It's a toasted seeded bun. The fry sauce is on the bottom,
Yes.
a raw onion, and shredded iceberg lettuce, which is the best,
Raw lettuce.
crunchy.
Right.
We're gonna put fry sauce on top as well.
Amazing.
Burger patty goes next. So, okay, here we go. All right, left.
Pastrami facials at the
Pastra-
Burger Show.
Getting
This is going to be a
pastrami
huge
facial.
trend in Los Angeles.
Right, the pastrami facial.
Pastrami steam.
Oh my God.
What I find fascinating is that the pastrami
it's so
burger
good.
has actually kind of disappeared from California. That it's growing, it's stronger in Utah now than it is in California, where it was actually invented, which is kind of odd to me. I present you.
Ooh.
Look at that thing.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
So good luck picking this up.
All right.
Oh man,
Don't
look at
mind if
that
I
guy,
do.
please. Yeah, the cross section on that guy. It's sick.
Did we make you Utah proud?
You nailed it. You nailed it. I think the people at Crown Burger would be
Thank
impressed.
you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Like, to channel my inner Joey Tribbiani, it's like pastrami, good. Burger, good. Pastrami burger, very, 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 very good.
I love the history too, that it all came from Canada. Right?
That's good. We made 3 burgers today. You have a favorite?
I'm on a crusade. I'm on a crusade to make the pastrami burger.
Pastrami, bring it back.
But it's for California.
You know, you just fight for
Well,
Utah.
Utah's doing just fine.
And then on the Slug Burger, I'm sure a lot of people were wondering, like, can I put breadcrumbs? I hear it all the time. Like, do you put breadcrumbs in your burger? This kind of showed today, yeah, you can.
It is delicious.
Yeah, if you have a
Definitely
party for 20 or 30 people at your crib, you could stretch it out.
Exactly.
You can save a couple bucks, man.
Thanks for coming, dude.
Oh, thanks for having us.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
for an
visiting.
all-burger brunch.
Yeah, this
My
was.
pleasure.
This is amazing. And you're a fine burger chef as well.
Come on back. There's much more to learn.
Trust me, I'm already planning for it. What's up, Burger fam? It's Alvin Kylon from The Burger Show. Thank you for your continual support. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, if not for me, for the burgers. Please and thank you.